Hello, this is Dan from Pahrump. In this video we're demonstrating the iPad is putting out NTSC video and stereo left and right line level audio to the channel 38 modulator. This is the video input, this is left, this is right, this is the output
of the iPad
on channel 38. Down here we have a monitor on channel 38. The modulator is working. We will proceed to hot swap the channel 38 modulator into the channel processor, which down converts it to channel 28 into the final amplifier. And it comes out of this twin stream microwave. We have video and we have balanced 600 ohm audio.
Wow.
It will be going into a impedance transformer to be transformed into line level stereo.
Big Bird will be happy.
Hey, Danny, we don't need the
What, Dan? What?
We don't need the transformer!
Why?
Because!
This is coming.
And watch this. Watch this.
Okay, I'm
This is
watching.
really cool.
I'm watching. Oh, don't get the RF burn. Oh no! Zapple! Watch out! Careful! Don't get an RF burn, Dan. Is that coming all the way from Potosi?
Yeah.
Sounds.
It works!
What? No, what?
Amazing!
Awesome, isn't it? It's magic.
It's magic. Yeah. And we got stereo sound too. Stereo sound.
Sounds.
Stereo. Me.
With all the adapters. Cool. Stereo.
Okay, red is right, left is whatever.
Bob the modulation monitor.
I can sure tell.
You know which is which? Oh yeah.
Wait, you gotta change the settings on the oscilloscope.
It's your oscilloscope, isn't it?
Yeah, I don't know how to run it on the old side. You have any more?
One's enough.